Hey, I'm Kathleen the Clean Queen. Here with some quick tips from ZIPS. Would you go a year without cleaning your socks and underwear? But how often do you clean something else you use every day? Your comforter. Here are 3 reasons you should get your comforter cleaned on the regular. Number 1, over time, your comforter can gather lots of yucky stuff. Sweat, body oils, dust, and pollen. Cleaning it regularly keeps it smelling fresh and sanitary. Number 2, stains that are left in the fabric will oxidize over time and become set, sometimes permanently, which means even the Clean Queen can't remove them. Number 3, regular cleaning can extend the lifespan of your comforter, keeping the filling fluffy and the fabric bright. I have a plaid flannel comforter from 1993. No lie, still looks great. Click like and subscribe to get more tips from ZIPS, and to look your best for less, get to ZIPS quick.